Hey Sam, how can I manage to get things done as a video editor while I'm still in school? What are the 20% of things that will get me 80% of the results? Thank you, Academy student Nikos, for the awesome question. Firstly, respect, because when I was in school, the only thing I was running towards was home to play Minecraft. I was not running towards excellence like you are, Nikos, so seriously well done. Nikos is one of my many Academy students who are pursuing excellence while still in school. And obviously having 6 to 7 hours of your day eaten up by the primeval education system is less than ideal when you're trying to build an online business. Sorry if I sound a little bit weird, by the way, guys, I'm a bit sick right now. But it is very doable if you are a savage. But the problem that you might find yourself running into quite often is that by the time you get home from school, you've had so much of your soul sucked out of you that the idea of trying to work on your video editing business is the last thing on your mind. You might feel like you have very little to no capacity to edit videos or to find new clients. So firstly, really what we have to do is solve that. So something that I've found to be really effective for my students has been doing a deep work block before you actually go to school. And I know you just had a mini panic attack listening to me say that. Jesus Christ, Sam, I have to get up at 5 a.m. and hit a 2-hour deep work block before I go to school? Yes, yes you do. This way, you get a really good bulk of your work done before school becomes a factor in your day. And if you think about it, I know it sounds AIDS waking up at 5 a.m., but what's more AIDS? Waking up at 5 a.m. or getting home from school and having another further 4 hours of work to do? Because let's be honest, 4 hours of deep work after school is pretty unrealistic. And you've already made the decision that you want to become a top tier video editor, which is why you're in my academy, Nikos, and anyone else watching this. If you're not looking to be a top tier video editor, I don't know why you'd be watching this, but that's how you get it done. That's just the truth of it. This is the best scenario of instant versus delayed gratification. You can choose the instant gratification of staying in bed until 8 a.m. and then going into school super groggy, super tired, getting home from school and then realizing that the version of you that decided to sleep in another 2 or 3 hours has now fucked you, and now you have 4 hours of work to do because of him. Or you can be the savage version of you who wants it so bad that he has no issue waking up at 5 a.m. with masculine aggression, purpose, and by the time he walks into registration, he's already smashed a really good work block and he's just looking around at his friends who are all really sleepy still and they're doom scrolling on Instagram. Meanwhile, you're sat there wide awake, proud as fuck because of the work that you've already done to get yourself ahead. And because of that, you're gonna navigate your entire school day with so much more purpose. You're gonna be far more switched on and you're gonna be more in control. You're gonna have more clarity. So actually, it will take less of your energy being there. So by the time you get back, you're actually really looking forward to hitting another 2-hour deep work block on your video editing business. Using this exact schedule, 2 deep work blocks around 2 hours each, one before school and one after school, will get you to $2,000 to $3,000 per month video editing online. And saying that is insane because I'm picturing now if while I was still in school, I was making $2,000 to $3,000 a month, which is more than most of your teachers. Absolutely insane. How much you would stand out from everyone else in your class. Purposeful, present, business-minded. You're walking with a sense of mission. That should really excite you. But then the question is, what do you do in these 2 deep work blocks? Well, currently I'm putting together an autistic step-by-step roadmap for my academy students to follow, which will literally hold your hand step by step as to exactly what you should be doing to reach 10K a month as a video editor. So you always have a clear direction on your video editing journey. There's never any question of what should I be doing right now. And that's going to be insanely valuable. But while I'm building that, you can never go wrong with building your X profile, aka Twitter. X is the absolute best platform for video editors, hands down. If you build a good video editor profile, you'll start getting inbound messages from awesome clients who want to work with you, which is the best case scenario for a full-time student like yourself because you don't really want to be using your 4 hours doing boring shit like outreach emails or Instagram messages. You want to be editing, right? And then once you've got 1 or maybe 2 good clients, you can use those deep work blocks doing what you love, creating dope shit and getting paid? Thank you, Academy student Nikos, for the awesome question. And if you're not just yet inside of my academy, I actually made a totally free module teaching you step by step how to build an X profile that attracts high paying video editing clients. If you want that, it's totally free. It will be the link in the description. Go check it out right now. I hope this was helpful. Take care, guys.